And near to finish. Rizal ako, Tagalog. Ah, okay, bro, bong. Malapit na si Slory. Mag-boil lang siya sandali kasi nagiging dry. Wala siyang, wala siyang soup. Kaya, lagyan ko muna ng tubig. Pag nag-boil na siya, and then, lagay natin yung egg and finish na siya. Ano pala, kaya pala, ano yung Tagalog ni Brobong. Kagaya namin, Brobong, matigas yung Tagalog namin. Sorry, Ruby, we are speaking Tagalog here. So, Brobong, yung may mga anak na rin kayo dyan, o baka may mga apo na rin. Ayan. Because the macaroni bulbs, Ruby, so I need to put more water. And then, I think a bit of salt. And it's enough. So, a little bit of salt. So here guys, we are using pink salt, the Himalayan salt. I see your video last night, Ruby, about the soup you are saying. The noodle soup. Mami Jenna, i-visit kita mamaya ha. Wait, at mag-like ako sa isang video mo, isang shorts para kasi itong isang cellphone ko, hindi siya makakomment sa So mamaya balikan ko na lang sa history ko para mapuntahan kita. Ayan. Itong mo, the crunchy one, pistachio. Ayaw niyang hindi ako makakomment sa cellphone na to. Mura na kasi, ayan ba yun? Luma, I mean. Luma na kasi itong cellphone na to. You know, Ruby, this old phone I have, I cannot comment on short videos. I don't know why. I think I need 2 or 3 phones. New phones so that I can support. But anyways, I think it's near to finish. You are laughing. We need 3 or 4 mobile phones. New mobile phones so that we can support back. I have only 2 phones, guys. One is the one I am using for my live stream and another old one. The problem with this old phone, I cannot comment on short videos. I don't know why. So I am related with the friends who are saying that they can't comment with my short videos. So I think we are encountering the same with my phone. With my other phone, I should say. So what I am doing this time, I am leaving a comment with my short videos and I pin it, and then I hope our friends can use that one so that they can comment. I think it's good now. I think it's enough. It's tasty. You are right, Ruby. It's tasty. Grabe nangyari sa Hollywood. Anong nangyari doon, Sis Lo, sa Hollywood? Bunso ko 16 na siya. Okay. Baka mas matanda pa ako sa iyo, Brobong. Kasi yung panganay ko, siya, 20 years old, and then yung bunso ko, siya, 17. Baka mas matanda pa kami sa iyo, Brobong. Guys, lalagay ko na yung eggs. And then it's ready to eat. You see? My tasty, delicious, and nutritious macaroni soup. Ayan.